best budget wireless lav? We're about to find out. Hi, I'm Arnie, and here we talk travel, we talk travel accessories, we talk camera gear. If you're into any of that, why don't you consider subscribing? Just click that big red subscribe button down below. Don't forget, click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we put up new content. And then make sure to check the show notes also for even more details. Today, I've been sent a wireless microphone from KimaFun. 2.4G wireless lavalier mic. We're going to try this out today and see what it's all about. So, of course, one of the first things we're going to want to do is we're going to want to see what's inside the box. So let's do that quickly. Open this up. First thing, we have a charging cable, and it's USB and micro USB, and it's a split one so that you can charge both the receiver and the transmitter. You've also got the lavalier mic itself that looks like it's got a fairly long cord on it. That's a little bit longer than I would have thought for something like this, but hey, that's okay. And it looks like these might even be threaded on here. That could be nice, so it won't pull apart. So there's the lavalier. We have some extra wind muff thingies. These are awfully huge. And to a 1/8 adapter. We've also got a clip, a belt clip kind of thing going on here. There's also, if you happen to be interested in this kind of stuff, one of those things that allows you to put it around the back of your head, and if you're, into athletic training, I suppose, you could use one of these things if you were leading a group. This is not something that I will ever use, but it's kind of nice. And what else do we have here? We have a split. Oh, okay, so if you wanted to run this into your phone, I think. Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. So you could do that. That works really nice. And here are the two units themselves. This is the receiver, 2.4G there. And this would be the transmitter. Now this is pretty compact. If I compare one of these to what I've been using of late, this is the fine version of it. You can see it's shorter, a whole heck of a lot less wide. I mean, it's very, very skinny in comparison. Much, much more compact. I love that. And the fact that it's rechargeable, as opposed to the fine, which has double A's, if I remember right. I can't remember for sure. Yeah, double A's. So I like this a lot. Now, one of the things that I have seen other reviewers of other wireless systems do is go out hundreds of yards. And honestly, I'm never going to use it that way. And I don't think that you are either, if you're using it for the same reason I am. So I don't see any purpose of that. I'll walk around the house a little bit. I'll move back to the back of the room. I mean, that's what it's going to be for. I'm never going to be hundreds of yards away, or even 50 yards away. That would be extreme. So don't expect that in this. It's just going to be, all right, we're going to see how this sounds, hooked up, using it, and hopefully this is already charged up, or this could be put on hold for a little bit here. So let me take a break here. I'll switch out from what I'm using right now and put this in. Okay, we're back. I'm going to clip my lav on here, and I can see the meters going on my monitor up there. So it's very simple. You can see the blue light, and there's a blue light on the receiver as well. Just turn it on and it's good to go. There's a volume. Hopefully it doesn't look like I'm peaking. I think I'm doing fine there. There's a volume control here. I'm going to turn that up a little bit, see what happens here. Testing, test, test, test. I don't see much happening there. Testing, test, 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 test. I'm not sure that's doing anything. Obviously, one of the downsides of doing a review like this is you just have no real idea what's going on until I start editing it, putting it together. But this is really, really simple to use. There's no searching around for, different frequencies. That could also be a downside too, I suppose. If you've got competing frequencies, hopefully that won't be a problem here. Obviously, the main thing is, what does this sound like? I'm going to get up and go to the back of the room and move around a little bit. I'm going to go into the bathroom over here and to my wife's studio, and we'll see whether it has to be line of sight, whether the walls are going to make a difference. Walking into the art studio, I'll be interested to see if this breaks up and back out again. And that's about as far away as I would ever go. Has a nice little belt clip on the back that just slides right off. Squeeze it together, hooks right over your belt. This is pretty convenient. So let's hope that this sounds good, okay? All right, so in the box you saw it all, and there's a little manual also that gives you a little bit more information. I'm not going to bother reading it right now. Maybe I'll look at it later when I've got some time. Let's check it out. Let's put this in the computer, put it together, and see how it sounds. Hey, if you like this kind of content, why don't you consider subscribing? Click that subscribe button, click the bell, share this with friends, give us a like, leave a comment. You know the drill. Thanks so much for stopping by. We do appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.